Yes, we will start. But question number 18, many of you are having problem. Okay. So today I am not going to solve that problems. Okay, keep it for a while. We will complete the syllabus first. Then we will come back over here. Okay. Now, proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay. So please write down everything today from today, whatever I'm just going to write on the whiteboard. Okay. So how you can just separate a proper fraction and the improper fraction. Just I'm just going to tell you that already I told.
Ma'am, you give homework.
Yes, I gave homework, but I don't think that much time is there for to check your homework. So proper per uh, fraction fractions numerator is always less than the denominator. I hope that I'm writing the spelling correct. And in the improper fraction,
Ma'am, denominator spelling is wrong.
okay, whatever, please write the correct spelling. For improper fraction, here you have to write numerator is greater than denominator.
And
So these are the basic difference. And here first exercise B, all of you open up. Okay. Exercise B, there are few fractions. You need to find out the proper fractions. So according to that, we will just solve it. So what are the proper fractions?
Ma'am, exercise A, I have no doubts.
Okay, no problem. So exercise B, page number chapter. This is which chapter is going on? This is chapter 4.
fraction.
4. Page number which page number is 45, 46. So I am writing only the answers. Question number 1, proper fraction. So I'm writing only the answer. 5 by 6 is the proper fraction. After that 5 by 8 is the proper fraction. After that 1 by 2 is the proper fraction. Okay. Next is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. So answer is 14 by 11. That is uh, improper. 7 by 4 is improper. 17 by 16 is improper. And 20 by 19 is improper. Now next here coming that mixed fraction. Okay. So mixed fraction, which fractions are mixed fraction? How we can understand that a whole number is there. A whole number is there. Just for you remember, for the remembering purpose, we are writing this. So among which are the mixed fraction? 1 whole 7 by 6, 2 whole 5 by 12. After that 4 whole 4 whole 5 by 3, this number is given wrong because 5 by 3 can be reduced again. Okay, so don't write this. Better not to write this. Please cut that option from the book. Okay. Next is 3 whole. Next is 3 whole 6 by 7. These are the mixed fraction. Please,
Ma'am, what would you cut in the book?
4 whole 5 by 3. Okay,
Okay.
if 5 by 3 itself a improper fraction, always with the in the mixed fraction you will see with the whole number, the fractional part is always uh, okay. 1 whole 7 by 6, that is also a wrong uh, concept. Here you can see already I've written, I have not checked it. Here never it can be the biggest number can sit, so it can't be the whole mixed fraction. Okay, so these two are only the mixed fraction. This type of fraction is we are not generally using, so cut the first option 1 whole 7 by 6 and the fourth option 4 whole 5 by 3. Okay, so done up to this. I'm removing everything.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Fast, fast, fast.
Yes, ma'am, remove.
Okay. Next is here you need to learn.
Done.
Next,
Ma'am, complete.
next is here you need to learn the conversion of from proper fraction to conversion from improper fraction to mixed fraction. Mixed to improper and improper to mixed. Okay, first we will learn for question number 4. So question number 4 is what is the procedure that mixed to, please write everything whatever I'm writing, mixed to improper. Okay, so mixed to improper means, suppose I'm here, I'm just giving one example. Mixed to improper means, suppose here the fractional part is 1 whole 2 by 3. So what is the process? With 1 we will multiply 3, means 1 multiply 3 plus 2, and the entire thing we will write in the numerator part, and here 3 will be there, and the answer will come as 5 by 3. So from here we can evaluate one formula like that. Mixed fraction equal to, if we are going to implement this formula, that whole number into denominator, I'm not writing entirely, plus numerator divided by denominator. If we are going to do yeah, amplify this formula, this will give the result in the improper fraction. Please write the word in total. Okay, I'm writing fact now, you should write it total. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next example, question number A. I'm just showing two sums. Rest of the sums back at your home, you should try it by yourself. 7 whole 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So what is the process? 7 into 5 plus 3. 7 into 5 plus 3 by 5. That means 30 by 3. Okay. Next option also I'm showing. Next is given that 15 into 27 by 100. That means 15 into 100 plus 27 by 100. Okay, that means 1527 by 100. That's the improper fraction. Please write it down. Rest of the 4 sums is your homework. Rest of the 4 sums is your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next year we need to just do the reverse procedure also we need to learn. So 5 is what? We will learn improper to mixed fraction. Okay, this thing we will write. Now I am showing the example with this with this so that it will be easier. So 5 by 3 is the improper fraction, right? So what we will do that we will divide 5 by 3. One will keep inside mu. Now after doing that, we will write that 1 whole 2 by 3. So what where we have written what in the whole number space we have listed the quotient. In the numerator we have written the remainder m by the remainder, and below that we are just writing that degree dividend. So just wait for a while and just writing it properly. Write it in the short form. Short form, please keep your side mail. Quotient, and dividend. Okay, like this way we are writing and our process is done. Is it clear to everyone? Please keep your sides mute. Please keep your sides mute. Chandan and Rishabh, every day this is your story. I will now today straightly remove you from the class and I will just lock the meeting.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, please. Check your microphone while I'm telling, please mute yourself. Please check your microphone that it is muted or after telling sorry, you are not muting yourself. Up to this, everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, number 4 I can't understand.
What is the formula? Whole number. 1 is the whole number with that denominator. And means 3 we are multiplying and with that numerator we are adding. So improper
We have to
fraction.
move the mixed fraction to improper fraction or improper fraction to
Here,
mixed.
here see what is the heading written over here. Headings are also written, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that I can't understand the one whole number by 2 by 3, but I do one formula that I have done that in multiply from, but this that one I understand, but this one I can't understand.
Okay, whatever formula you have learned, you please do it by yourself. I
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
think that the other formula is there because I haven't known it. Okay, I'm just
Ma'am,
clearing it.
you can wait for me. My pen's ink is finished.
Okay, just be fast.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please sit with the 2-3 planes at least. Don't tell me that, ma'am, we don't have 2-3 pens. Since you are doing the school from from your school, you are becoming so lazy that you taken one pen and other pen is I'll leave it. When my ink will be done, I will tell ma'am to wait. Then only I will come and take it. Okay. So conversion. First I am showing the 5B. Okay. 5B you see That here what is given? Here it is given that 12 by 5 mixed fraction, and we have to convert it in the what? Sorry, improper fraction. If we will convert it in the mixed fraction, so we will divide it. So 2. This is remainder R. This is quotient Q, and this is dividend D. Okay, so formula was QRD. Like this, you will remember QRD, QRD. Okay, so here quotient we will put first. Quotient we will put first. R we will put here, and D is we are putting over here. Okay, B and C I am showing. C is given what? 27 by 5. 27 by 5. 27 by 5. Here, when by 27, we are just dividing 25 2. Okay, again mark it.
Ma'am, 5A is homework.
Yes, R D. Okay, again use the formula Q R D. Okay, please mark it while you are doing. Please mark it by pencil QRT, so that you will never forget it. And how you will remember? My name's short form is RT. You will remember R is first, D is latter. Like this way, you need to remember. In your exam, we need the correct answer. Okay, how you have solved, that is, we are not bothered. So 33 by 7. Here we are doing 33 by 7. 428 5. Again write Q R D. Okay, put it in the formula that Q R. Okay, up to this, please write it very fast so that we can go to the next sum.
Ma'am, my complete.
Okay, please complete it. Next part, you need to understand a little bit more. I am trying to complete this exercise by today. Please be a little fast.
I'm completed.
Completed. Next,
I'm complete.
Ma'am, not completed.
take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Done.
Ma'am, I have taken a screenshot.
Next is here. Equivalent fraction is next is here. Equivalent fraction we will learn. So please carefully listen to me what I am saying. Okay. Now suppose here. Now suppose here. I am just. This is my category. Okay. So Cadbury is not like that. Divided in some blocks. We all know. Okay, so it should be straight line. Since you all know that I'm just drawing it in the computer.
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
First you understand it. If you need to draw, you can draw. Okay, suppose this is my Cadbury. So how many parts are there? 10 parts are there. Right? Now
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
uh, now suppose here I have just consumed these parts. Okay?
Ma'am, at the first of exercise A, that this type of sum is there.
Yes.
Suppose I consume this part. So in the fraction, how much it is? This is 2 by 10 part I have consumed.
2 by 10.
Now I am just going to tell you like that. The same scenario, I am just dividing the Cadbury in a separate way. How a separate way? Suppose this consumed part, I am just dividing further, and rest of the Cadbury also I am dividing further. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
No, understand this. This is concept.
Okay, ma'am.
Rest of the part I have covered. Now, how many total parts are there? 20. I consumed. In this case, how much I have consumed? In this case, I have consumed 4 by 20 parts. Okay? Because I divided my Cadbury resistant 20 in 20 cubes, right? Now, look at this fraction. 2 by 10 and 4 by 20. Did you get the similarity? Anything? I don't think so. But in the picture, the same portion what I have consumed, that is same. That is why we can say these two fractions as equivalent to each other. Why? Because if I am going to reduce this fraction, now what is reduce this fraction? Reduce means here suppose 4 by 20 is there. I am going to reduce. Reduce means there should be some common number by which I can divide both the number 4 and 20. Here number 2 is there, by 2 I am just dividing, and the answer, that means quotient I am writing. So again by 2 I am writing here, how what I am getting? 1 by 5. Again 2 by 10 also suppose I am reducing, here how much I am getting? 1 by 5. So after reducing, everyone can see that we are getting what? We are getting the same number, right? Same fraction, better to say. So these two fractions, these two type of fractions are known as equivalent fraction. Is this concept clear? Let's say yes or no. So by how
Yes, ma'am.
mathematically how we are getting this equivalent fraction? Very easy. How we are going to get the equivalent fraction? Numerator and denominator, both the parts, if we are going to multiply by any number, but both means if we are going to multiply the numerator, we should multiply the denominator. Otherwise, our sums will be wrong. So question number 6, they how what they are telling, write 4 equivalent fractions of each of the following. Only 2 I am showing. Suppose 6 by 7 is the fraction. So you will write 6 by 7 into by 2 we will multiply first. every fraction, if there is nothing mentioned, we will multiply each fraction by 2, 3, 4 randomly like this to get the equivalent fraction. Sorry. 6 by 7 into again, if we are multiplying by 4 and 4, we are getting, so this answer is 12 by 14. This answer is 18 by 21. Answer is 24 by 28. Okay, so these three are in the answer part. What we will write? We write like that. 12 by 4 fractions, they have one day. I am just do 3. 18 by 21 and 24 by 28 are equivalent fraction of 6 by 7. Okay, so I'm not showing this type of sum. So strictly the rest of the sums, please do it back here to your home. Next question number 7, 8. So next I am
Complete.
okay. I'm just going to the next question number 7. Question number 7 is telling you what 4 by 7. Question number 4 by 7 is the fraction. So A is telling that you have to find out the equivalent fraction so that the numerator will come as 49. Right? When this type of sum will be there, that means here, here, and here all the blanks are there. So what we will do here, by from 1 means 49 we will divide by 7. How much number is coming? 7. Now what important rule I told? What was the rule? The rule was, when I am multiplying the denominator, that time I should multiply the same number on the numerator as well. Right? So 28. This is your answer. So B, how you will write? Numerator 28. Numerator means, okay, this is on the same problem B and C, A and B both solve. So I am better writing doing C. 4 by 7 numerator is 48. So here and here we need to just multiply it with some number so that here, sorry. Numerator, what is the numerator? It is telling numerator 48. So denominator we need to take out. That means for what we are doing mentally, 48 divided by 4. That means by 12 I am just dividing. Sorry, I am multiplying. So by 12 we will multiply here. It will come as 84. Okay.
Ma'am, question number 7. B is homework. Hello, ma'am.
What I am doing.
Hello.
See what I am doing. I have done it. Okay, so question number 8 you can do. Question number 9 is also like the same. But 9, the intermediate step, this step has not shown. You can, I think you can do. See, I need to complete the syllabus, so I will can't do the every sums. Okay. Question number 10. Are these fractions are equivalent or not? For this, we need to do the first question number 11. Okay. Reduce is the lowest term. Done up to this. Okay. So question number 11 I am doing. Question number 11 here. Suppose A. Reduce it the lowest term means what? You will write the numerator and denominator like this. Now, 2 is a common factor of both. Factor of both means by 2 we can divide numerator and denominator both. So, we are dividing, it is 12 and we are dividing 72. So, this is 36. Now, we can see that this is the table of 12. Right? 12 ones are 12 and 12 threes are 36. Okay, so by 12 also we can cut 1 and 3. So our fraction reduced it to 1 by 3. Again, one more I am showing. Suppose B I am showing. Okay. B here, what is written over here? 52 by 76. So 2 is the common factor I can say, means when the number ends with or in the ones place there is 2. We all have learned this from the childhood that we can divide it by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. By 2 again we are dividing again by 12. Sorry, 2 we can divide 13 by 19. Now furthermore we can't divide, so 13 by 19 is the lowest term form. Okay. Up to this, I think everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Rest of the sums which I have left, these all are your homework. Okay. Please complete it. Don't leave the class. 5 minutes are still there. I'm going to check you the attendance, but you can leave. Means keep your phone connected. You can leave. I hope that what I'm telling you are understood. Okay, so I am stopping the recording first.